Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you. We will be taking you through the fascinating process of creating a stunning wooden engraving gift, a personalized photo frame. So, let's jump right in. The first step in this creative journey is editing the image in Photoshop. We have chosen a beautiful photo of yours for the engraving. By adjusting the brightness, contrast, and colors, we can enhance the image to make it ideal for engraving. We also make sure to set the image dimensions correctly to match the size of our wooden photo frame. Next, we transfer the edited image to CorelDRAW, where we will work on the print file. In CorelDRAW, we optimize the image for the engraving process, converting it into a vector format. This conversion ensures the laser machine can read and interpret the image accurately, resulting in a high-quality engraving. With the image now in the proper format, it's time to prepare the final file for the laser machine. We set the engraving parameters, such as the laser power, engraving depth, and speed. These settings are crucial to achieving the desired level of detail and clarity in the engraving. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We'll now feed our prepared wooden photo frame and the finalized print file into the laser engraving machine. The laser will meticulously etch the design onto the wooden surface, bringing the image to life with remarkable precision. And there you have it. After patiently waiting for the laser machine to work its magic, we finally have the finished product, a beautifully engraved wooden photo frame. The details are breathtaking, and the sentimental value it holds makes it a truly special gift. Thank you for joining us today on this mesmerizing journey of creating a wooden engraving gift. We hope you enjoyed watching the creative process from image editing to the final engraved photo frame. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, happy crafting!